Nothing beats a scoop of creamy homemade ice cream, especially when it's this easy to make. So today we're making 3 delicious ice creams at home: a rich chocolate ice cream, a refreshing tender coconut ice cream, and a super healthy vegan banana ice cream. Let's get started. First up, the ultimate classic chocolate ice cream. Start by taking whipping cream in a large bowl. Using a whisk or hand mixer, whip the cream until you get stiff peaks. This step gives the ice cream its light and creamy texture. Now add condensed milk and cocoa powder to the whipped cream. Gently fold everything together until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Be careful not to overmix so the cream stays airy. Now pour this rich chocolate mixture onto a casserole or freezer-safe container. Sprinkle chocolate chips generously on top for that extra chocolatey bite. Place it in the freezer for about 4 hours or until perfectly set. Once frozen, scoop it into bowls, garnish with colorful sprinkles, and your homemade chocolate ice cream is ready to serve. Next, let's make something light, tropical and refreshing: tender coconut ice cream. In a blender, add tender coconut flesh and coconut milk. Blend it until you get a smooth and creamy paste. Now transfer this mixture onto a bowl and add whipping cream. Mix it well so everything combines into a luscious creamy base. Now add finely chopped tender coconut pieces for the delicious texture in every bite. Now pour the mixture into a container and pop it into the freezer for about 6 hours. Once set, scoop out this refreshing ice cream and enjoy the naturally sweet tropical flavors of tender coconut. Finally, a healthy and vegan ice cream that's unbelievably easy to make. Start by taking 3 bananas, roughly chop them and place them in a Ziploc bag. Freeze the bananas for about 3 to 5 hours. Once frozen, add the banana pieces to a blender and blend them into a thick, creamy paste. Now add a little vanilla extract and honey for sweetness. At this stage, you can customize the flavor by adding cocoa powder or peanut butter depending on what you like. Now blend everything again until smooth and creamy. Transfer the mixture to a container and let it sit in the freezer for 15 to 30 minutes so it firms slightly. Scoop it into a bowl, drizzle some chocolate syrup and top with nuts and chocolate chips for extra crunch. And your creamy vegan banana ice cream is ready to enjoy. Whether you're craving rich chocolate, refreshing coconut, or a healthy banana treat, these homemade ice creams are perfect for any mood. Try them at home and let us know which flavor is your favorite. And for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Times Foodies.